What are we doing?
Cutting my plant for Jaja.
Are you cutting plants or flowers?
I'm cutting flowers.
Oh, okay.
Nice, beautiful flowers.
Mm-hmm.
They look beautiful.
Don't they?
Yeah.
You love taking flowers from Mom's garden, don't you?
Because they're beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's okay.
She has purple ones.
Mm-hmm.
That's my lovely color.
Mm-hmm. You mean favorite?
Yeah, favorite.
Nice.
I'm gonna spread them out so I can see, so I can pick one.
Mm-hmm. Are you gonna take all our flowers today?
No.
Thanks.
I'm just gonna pick two of these ones.
Mm-hmm.
These will do. Two.
What is it?
Ear.
Basil, tulsi.
It looks like an ear, but the top one looks like an ear.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I think that will do.
No. I want a little more.
Sorry?
I just want a little more.
What is it? Is it a rose? Show me.
Yeah.
Oops.
Oh my gosh.
It's okay. What are they? What flower is that?
That is this flower. Pink
Mhm.
flower is lily.
Can we have a look, please?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
You can check how much I did in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You're good at picking flowers, aren't you?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's how much flowers I'm gonna put.
I think that will be enough. Yep.
Now I'll go and bring them to my mom.
Mm-hmm.
You can have a look at this beautiful plant.
I know. What are they? Geranium? Or yeah.
I don't know really what they're called.
Mm-hmm.
They just look so beautiful. They
Mm-hmm.
can be a little purples that I already see, but I don't want to take that one.
Mm-hmm. We had red ones. Did you find in the front? On other side? Mm.
That might be enough.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Yep. Pick them up.
Now we can do puja together.
Okay. Are you going to do with Mama?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm gonna go to my house and do puja. I'm
Okay.
gonna first decorate it and then do puja too.
Mm-hmm. Where did you pick all these flowers from?
I picked them from the plants.
From your garden or somebody's garden?
My mother's.
Your mother's. Your mother's garden is your garden, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Your mom is your mom, isn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah. So mom's
I'm
things.
just gonna go to my house and decorate.
Really?
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.